Let me brush my hair first. I am so prepared for my videos. You can tell I've been planning this for like a week. Hey guys, it's me, and in this video I am going to be trying to make slime in 2 minutes, and I don't know how well I'll do because a lot of times it takes me quite a while to get my slime just right. So let's get started. So here's what I have. All the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my slime. I am going to be making a fluffy slime, at least to start with. So I have glue, borax solution, a bowl to mix in, something to mix with, food coloring, shaving cream, and then lotion. I'm going to be setting a timer on my phone here. Here we go, guys. Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes. Okay, it started. So I'm going to start off with some glue. I feel like I've dropped a spoon in here because I can hear it rolling around, but I don't remember doing that. Okay, so I got some glue in there. The shaving cream. I'm so frantic right now. Okay, got shaving cream. Sorry you can't see it. Spoon, mix. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, 2 things. I'm forgetting 2 things. I'm trying to mix quickly and it's so stirred. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to add this. Oh my goodness, 1 minute remaining. I need to hurry up. Oh my goodness. Okay, food coloring, food coloring. It's gonna be blue. Get in there. Oh, it's all over my hands. Mix faster. Oh my goodness. Alright, 40 seconds. Solution, solution. Faster. 30 seconds remaining. It is, no, more solution, more solution. This is starting out so badly. And there's 20 seconds. Ah. It's like everywhere. 10 seconds remaining. 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay, I get it. Okay, finished result. So here's the slime. Here's my hands. The slime's kind of sticky still. I didn't activate it enough before the timer went off. It's very sticky. Ah! It's pretty fluffy. It's not like super duper fluffy, like looking, but it's pretty fluffy when you feel it. I can't even poke it. It's too sticky. Also, this is a mess. There's slime all the way on the sides, up and down the sides. I'm just gonna try to fix this real quick. Poking sounds are pretty good. Pretty stretchy. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's a little sticky still though. Alrighty. So I would say this is a success. Even though it was kind of messy at first, it's still pretty successful slime. On to the next one. I'm pretty nervous about this one because I still can't make very good crunchy slime even after a couple days. So what we have is filler beads, clear slime, something to mix in, something to mix with, food coloring, some glitter, and borax solution. So let's get started. Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes. Okay, it's going. So So I'm going to open up my clear glue. I'm not going to make very much because clear glue is expensive. And I'm broke. Oops, that was a lot. This better turn out good or I'm mad. Okay. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Okay. Add some solution in. Already wasted 30 seconds almost. Wow. Okay, so I probably should have had water, but it's too late to think about the past now. Let me add this color, one pink. And then, hi noodles. Okay, glitter. Grip. Okay, that's enough. Next! I can't see the timer this time. Okay, so I have 1 minute to go, and it's not even activated, much less has the beads in it. Ugh. So I'm mixing really fast, so it's not going to be clear at all. Okay, so I'm just going to throw it in the beads. Oh no, it's way too sticky. I'm failing over. Okay, pick it up. This is so sticky. How much time? 30 seconds and it's so sticky and I don't have beads in it. What is happening? Okay, 20 seconds. I'm adding beads. I'm just throwing it in and throwing beads on top of it. They're falling everywhere. No! More beads. Alright. It's so sticky. Okay, the timer's up. Time to look at the product. Here it is. Honestly, I like the color. As you can see, my hands are a mess. But let's test it out. Actually, this is probably better than all my other crunchy slimes, for the most part. It's still pretty sticky, but it's decently crunchy, and it's like not bad. I'm actually really impressed right now. Wow. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, be sure to like down below, and if you like what you're seeing, then subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of the slimes, and should I do a giveaway for 200? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.